Yo, what's going on? Larry the Ghost here. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to record your vocals with the auto-tune effect using the Voloco app. Let's go.
Larry Ghost.
Voloco is a real-time voice processing app that's available on the App Store and the Google Play Store. Hit the plus button to get started. Remember to use your headphone when you're using this app. Click this button right here to load an instrument track. You have the option of loading your own instrumental file, or you can select a list of instrumental tracks that Voloco has curated for you. We're going to select my beat called Purple. Shoutouts to Voloco for putting my beat on here. Alright, once we have our beat loaded up, if you know the key of the beat, go ahead and select the right key for your instrumental track. This beat is in key of B minor. Now here's where it gets good. Click on the effects button and you will have a list of vocal effects that you can choose from. Starter effects, aka free version, comes with 5 different vocal effects. Select a hard tune if you want that T-Pain / Travis Scott type effect. Big chorus gives you pretty wild effect. Feel free to play around with the rest of these effects to get a feel for how they sound and how they work with your voice. You can see the voice monitor button on the top left corner. You can turn that on if you want to hear yourself on the headphones while you're recording. Turn it off if you don't want to hear yourself. And you can practice before you start recording by pressing the play button on the bottom. Once you're ready to record, go ahead and press the big red button and start recording.
Yeah.
Larry Ghost.
I've been working too hard, taking no days off, counting money every day.
Okay, yeah, you get the idea.
Yeah.
Once you're done recording, you have the option to do some post-production, such as changing the effects and cropping certain parts of the vocals. When you're happy with your result, go ahead and edit the name of the track and hit save. You also have the option to share audio as and save it to your files, or share the files directly with someone. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'll be making more vocal related tutorials using your phone, so stay tuned for that. See you next time.